My name is Qamar Sayyed. I am representing Weidmüller, Saudi Arabia. I'm working in Weidmüller, Saudi Arabian factory in Dammam. Currently, we are using Messer laser cutting FiberBlade with 2 kilowatt power. And our products are basically electrical junction boxes in stainless steel. We have found Messer laser cutting machine as a best performing one with a great technology. And we have done several jobs on our production with the same machines. Currently, I am here to see all the technological advancement which Messer are doing, and I have found something which is very much useful for us in loading and unloading of the systems of Messer cutting. So I am taking part to get more details about the further enhancement, and we will be continuing doing business with Messer. So we are finding in Saudi Arabia market there are a lot of issues of maintenance and all, but Messer are doing an exceptional job to doing the service better and enhancement of the particular thing. So this is how I define our entire process. Thank you.